Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on Jay's journey, right, we begin our journey again. I'm flying over 20 hours all the way to the United States. So right now I'm at the transit stop, getting some recharge before I reach my destination, Utah. So here we are, we have finally landed. Welcome to Utah. The first impression here, right, is that it's mountain everywhere. No matter where you look, right, it's just endless mountain view, which is definitely one of the most selling point at this area. I'm at the famous Salt Lake City here. It's actually the capital here, and it is awesome. It's really beautiful. And here, right, it offers a high quality of life. I mean, it's easy to tell why. It's easy to know why, because after all, we are at a very nice landscape with lots of fresh air, lots of mountains. It's a great place, right, for natural diversity, and there's like a desert to hills to mountain valleys. Right now, the plan is to head to my place of residencies, put my stuff before I get ready for adventures, exploring. I'm done with my unloading and it's time to head out for more explorations. Most of the people that travels, right, after over 20 hours, they might start to do a rest, but not for me. I'm a YouTuber. I want to get out, start filming, start exploring as fast as possible. Not to mention, this whole area landscape is really exciting for me, because after all, back in Asia, this whole atmosphere and landscape is definitely different from here. Utah have great red rock landscape, lots of snowy mountains, especially right now is the season of it. For friends who are really into like Joe photo filming or videoing, this is really the best place ever to do whatever you want. If you ever got a chance to visit Utah, be prepared to bring your drones. If not, you'll miss out like me with lots of high views photo shooting. But let's put the filming aside, we have a mission to fulfill. The first mission ever. When I reach a place, I will need to get supplies. And where is better than the famous Walmart? So to all my Asian friends, if you have been to Walmart in Asia, right, this is a completely different experience between here and America. It's like a warehouse level huge, because the Walmart here is really mega size. Because the Walmart here really sells like literally everything. There's the standard stuff like groceries and food, there's electronics, home and garden stuff, some home care and personal health stuff, there's also toys inside. But what's fun, right, is that the portion is crazy, because the shopping experience, right, in Asia and America is different. At our site, we do shopping like almost daily, every few days. Like you look at this Starbucks coffee is mega size, because in America, right, shopping is a weekly event. Families like to travel out, do a one-time shopping, buy lots of food. They make sure, right, that the enormous fridge is fully stuffed. That's why all the portions here are mega size. So this is like a total culture shock. Another issue is because the distance to travel between groceries to your house is quite a distance. So delivery is not as convenient as it is in Asia. Of course, another advantage is bulky purchase will definitely reduce the costing. So by doing bulk purchase, right, everything is actually very affordable. You will be shocked at each item pricing. Now that we have completed our shopping, it's time to call it a day and let's head it back. But look at this mountain view. At nighttime, it is quiet, it's cool, and it's beautiful. Every turn at different corner of the streets, you can see this entire stretch of mountains. So, time to head back, recharge, and start the adventure tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel adventures in America.